In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the layers panel in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the page that contains your draw.io diagram while you're still inside the editor. Once you can see the diagram on the page, click on it to select it. When the diagram is selected, a floating toolbar will appear nearby. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window with the draw.io diagram editor, which is where you'll be able to access the layers panel. Now that you're inside the diagram editor, there are two simple ways to show the layers panel. The first method is to use the menu at the top of the editor. Look along the top menu bar and click View. A drop-down menu will open, and from there, select Layers. As soon as you do that, the layers panel will appear in the editor. The second method is even faster if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts. You can press Ctrl, Shift, and L on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut does the same thing as using the menu option, so it will open the layers panel right away. It's also helpful to know that both of these options work as a toggle. That means if the layers panel is already visible, using either the view menu option or the keyboard shortcut will close it. If it's hidden, the same action will open it. So if the panel doesn't appear the first time, or if it seems to disappear, it usually just means the toggle has been switched. This is useful when you want to manage complex diagrams more efficiently, especially if your diagram includes multiple elements organized across different layers. Being able to quickly open and close the layers panel can make editing much easier and help you keep your workspace clean while you work. So just remember the basic flow. Open the page in edit mode, select the draw.io diagram, click the edit icon from the floating toolbar, and then use either view and then layers or the Ctrl, Shift, and L shortcut to show the panel. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where to find it, accessing the layers panel in draw.io for Confluence and Jira is quick and straightforward.